Hey guys, it's Blitty, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to write Rust code in Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a cross-platform IDE by Microsoft. It's really good, and in my opinion it's even better than the Atom editor by GitHub. Okay, so first thing you want to do is get Visual Studio Code if you don't already have it. Okay, so let's open your favorite browser here. And let's go to code.visualstudio.com. Okay, so you have this beautiful website here. Sorry, my computer is a bit laggy at the moment because I'm recording and I'm in a virtual machine. So, okay, so let's download the latest version of it. That should be really fast. Okay, so save the file. As you can see, 10 seconds, that's more than okay. So in the meantime, you can go to rustlang.org, which is the website of Rust, the Rust programming language. Okay, so let's just click install here. That's gonna download the latest version of Rust, the stable version, for your architecture and with a GNU toolchain. Okay, so let's install Visual Studio Code. As you can see, Rust is a systems programming language. It's really cool. You can try that stuff here live on the website. Okay, so let's install it. Yes. Install. Okay. You're also gonna need here under other downloads the Rust source, because Visual Studio Code doesn't natively support Rust. You're gonna have to install an extension. There are a few extensions out there, I think, but Rusty Code is the best one I've found so far, with really good autocompletion and stuff like that. Okay, so let's get the Rust source, which is used by a tool called rustfmt for actually, I'm not sure if it's rustfmt. We'll take a look. Okay, so let's search for Rusty code. They have really nice instructions on how to install it. And there we go. Launch Visual Studio Code. And in the meantime, we're gonna install Rust. That should be really fast. Rust has a really small runtime. Okay, so there we go, that's Visual Studio Code. As you can see, it's really clean, nice user interface. It looks really good and polished. And there's the getting started guide, which was just opened by Visual Studio Code automatically. Let's close that for the moment and install Rust. You don't need to change anything here, just click install. Okay, so here you can see what features the Rusty Code extension has. So it has autocompletion. You can search for symbols and stuff like that. You can automatically format the file on save. It's just really great. Okay, so let's install Rusty Code. So I click here, that's the extensions button, and just search for Rusty Code. There we go, just click install. It's really easy. Let's wait for Rust to be installed. So after that comes the hard part. It's not really hard, but it's the tedious part where you have to configure Rusty code to work with your IDE and your Rust version and stuff like that. But it's not too hard. Just follow the instructions. You only need to do that once. So okay, let's click reload. So it loads the extension. takes a moment here. Okay, so let's go to File, Preferences, and User Settings. Okay, there you have your user settings. And we are gonna tell Rusty Code how to find stuff. The source is downloaded, yes. I think we're also gonna need a 7-zip. Because we really need that to unpack that source code. It doesn't unpack itself, unfortunately. Okay, nice. Rust is also installed. That's great. Let's open the Windows Explorer. Not this computer. Downloads, I think. Okay, so there's the Rust source code. We're gonna unpack that right here. Just gonna rename this to Rust SRC. Now we're gonna unpack that too. That takes a moment. In the meantime, we can configure Rusty code. Okay, so that's actually really easy. You just have to define a few values here. I'm sorry for my laggy machine right now. This unpacking stuff isn't really good when I'm recording. Okay, so the keys we want to define here is rust.rustlang src path. So that's gonna be path to our unpacked Rust source code. So it can find all the values and all the types and all the traits and all that cool stuff that Rust has. So it can provide you auto-completion. Okay, awesome. So there we have our Rust source code, and we really only need this src folder. So we can just copy the path to that and paste it here. Gonna make the window a little bit wider here. Okay, and we're gonna need to escape those things. Sorry if my keyboard is loud. It's a mechanical keyboard and it's really close to the microphone. Okay, so we already got that out of the way. Now we're gonna need to enable format on save. You don't really need to do that, but it's really convenient, and I haven't had any problems with the Rust auto formatter yet. It's really great that it makes your code beautiful. And we're also gonna need to use the new error format that Rust has, because it's awesome and makes debugging easier. Okay, so now you can technically start using Rust. But we don't have Razor installed yet, which is the tool that Rusty Code uses for formatting. Not for formatting, sorry, for auto-completion. So we're gonna need to install that. That's really easy to do actually. We just need Rust's package manager called cargo. Well, let's see where we installed that stuff. Probably missed it already. Okay, Rust stable bin cargo.exe. Okay. Now we're just gonna do cargo install Razor. Okay, we're done. Razor is installed, and now we're gonna install Rust FMT and Rust Sim. Let's just do the same thing again. Rust FMT. And last but not least, Rust Sim. Okay, now that that's out of the way, we just need to point Rusty code into the right direction. So let's take a look here. We need our users directory, that should be here. Okay, so there's that, in your users directory there's that .cargo folder, in there the bin folder. Okay, now you have here the previously installed applications, Razor, Rust FMT and Rust Sim. Now just copy that path create a new key here called rust dot, where is it? Rust fmt path. Okay. Now just do that. We also got escape the backslashes again. Okay, awesome. Just copy that 2 times, sorry. Okay, so this time it's rust sim path. Just gonna change that to rust sim.exe. And the third one is razor path, which is razor.exe. Okay, so we got our Rusty code configured. What I like to do at the end of all the configuration stuff is install a custom font. I really like the Fira code font. Let's download that too. Fira code. I'm gonna put all the links into the description, by the way, so you don't have to look for them. Okay, so let's go to releases. Fira code. Save file. Go to our downloads folder. Unzip it. Now take the TrueType fonts and just install them. Okay, now you can use Fira code in your editor. That's really easy. So just font, add a comma here, so that works. Okay, so let's do editor.fontFamily equals Fira code. Then editor.fontSize, we're gonna have that just the size a little bit so it looks acceptable. And window dot, oh sorry, not zoom level, font ligatures, no idea if you say it like that, ligatures. I don't know. Okay, just do that and restart Visual Studio Code. Okay. Well, let's see if it works. It should work. Okay, as you can see, there are really nice ligatures and stuff like that. So everything just looks great. Okay, so let's create our first Rust project. That's also really easy. I think I should show my desktop icons. Okay, so let's create a folder. I'm just gonna call it projects here. And now we can use cargo. I don't know if it is already added. Okay, yeah, you can use cargo to create new projects. So just do cargo new minus bin for binary. Just I'm gonna call the project foo. There we go. There's our foo folder. And now we should be able to open this in Visual Studio Code. So how do you do that here? I'm just gonna do it like that. So open folder. Go to the desktop, go to the project folder, select the foo folder. Okay, I'm gonna make the font a little bigger so it's easier to read on YouTube. I should also enter exclusive mode again. Okay, so here are your dependencies. Here's your package. You can add stuff here. I'm gonna add splitty dev. You can also add a description. My first project. You can add a license. In my case, it's often MIT. Okay, so let's skip that stuff and go straight to the source code. There's your main.rs file. And this just prints hello world. Really small example. Okay, so let's compile by pressing Ctrl-Shift-B. Okay, running cargo build. Completed. 2 seconds. Awesome. Now we have this target folder, the debug folder, and there's our foo.exe. Actually, we can just run it here by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P to bring up the command palette. Now just type run, and there's cargo run debug. Just click that. As you can see here, hello world. So that works. I'm also going to show you the auto-completion. Okay, so what can we do here? Use std IO. Okay, as you can see here, all the types. Just gonna use std IO. Use everything from that. And now if I start typing something like struct, there are templates for stuff. It's really nice. So if I type bytes or something like that, you can see there's the complete auto-completion, which makes stuff really easy. Okay, I think that's it, and see you in my next video.